This is question 7 in exercise 21.2 in Project Maths 2. We have to graph the function in the given domain. Our function in this case is g of x is x squared minus 3x, and the domain that we have been given is minus 2 is less than or equal to 2 is less than or equal to 5, where x is an element of R. So we set up a table like we can see here in the middle with all of our x's, which is all the numbers from our domain, the numbers between minus 2 and 5 listed in the left column. Then we have at the top of our middle column the function that we're given in the question. And down the right we have our g of x, which is the value we get when we put our x value from our left column into our function and work out the sum. So let's go down the line and do that first. If we put minus 2 in, we get minus 2 squared minus 3 times minus 2, which is going to be 4 plus 6, so we get 10. If we put minus 1 in, we get minus 1 squared minus 3 times minus 1, which is going to be 1 plus 4. So, 1 plus 3, which is going to be 4. For the next one, we're going to put 0 in, so we're going to get 0 squared minus 3 times 0, which is 0. We put 1 in, we get 1 squared minus 3 times 1, which is going to be 1 minus 3, which is minus 2. If we put 2 in, we're going to get 2 squared minus 3 times 2, which is 4 minus 6, which is minus 2. We put 3 in, we're going to get 3 squared minus 3 times 3, which is 9 minus 9, so we get 0. We put 4 in, we're going to get 4 squared minus 3 times 4, which is 16 minus 12, so we get 4. And for the last one, put 5 in, and we get 5 squared minus 3 times 5, which is 25 minus 15, which is 10. And then all we have to do is just pair up our x's and our g of x's to get coordinates. So minus 2, 10 is our first one. Next one down is going to be minus 1, 4. Then 0, 0. Then 1 minus 2. Then 2 minus 2. Then 3, 0. 4, 4. And 5, 10. We just took our x value, paired it with our g of x value. Now that we have all those coordinate points, we have to plot them all on our graph on the left. So minus 2, 10 is 2 left and 10 up, which is just up there. Minus 1, 4 is 1 left and 4 up, which is just there. 0, 0 is the origin, it's where the x and y axis intersect, just there. 1 minus 2 is 1 right and 2 down, down here. 2 minus 2 is 2 right and 2 down, which is also down there. 3, 0 is 3 right and 0 up or down. 4, 4 is 4 right and 4 up, just there. And 5, 10 is 5 right and 10 up, just all the way up there. Now that we have all our points plotted, we're going to start with our top left and we're going to work our way down, and we're going to curve our way through each of the points and back up to fill in the graph. And if we do it right, it should look something like this. And you notice that down the bottom here, between 1 minus 2 and 2 minus 2, that we curve between them. We don't just draw a straight line across. They curve between the two low points that we found out. If you don't put the curve in, then the graph hasn't been drawn correctly. But other than that, that is that.